Hey there viewers, let's talk about beetroots. Their pinkish-red color will make anyone fall in love with them. They go well with salads and soups, but cooking them can destroy their nutrients. Juicing remains the easiest and healthiest way to eat fresh beetroot. Get ready to have major beetroot meltdown as we discuss 9 benefits of beet juice in today's video. Does it boost your stamina? Can it help you lose weight? Let's discuss all of this and more. Number 1. Reduces blood pressure. There's a reason beetroots are considered a superfood. It can lower your blood pressure and reduce your chances of heart disease. Hypertension is a serious condition across the globe. It claims so many lives every year. People pop medications when all they really need to do is have a glass of beetroot juice. Drinking just 250 milliliters of juice on the regular can have a significant effect on your blood pressure. Beetroot juice has high levels of nitrates. After having beetroot juice, the nitrates mix with your blood. In the process, they form a new compound called nitric oxide. This powerful chemical can widen and relax all those tight blood vessels. As soon as this happens, blood gushes to important organs like your brain, heart, and muscles. This balances out your blood pressure. What's your favorite type of homemade juice? Sound off in the comments section and start a conversation with our Bestie community. Number 2. Increases stamina. Do you ever finish a workout and think, if I only lifted a little harder? Beetroot juice can actually make that a reality. This is why most athletes have a fresh glass before a game. This vegetable gives strength to your muscles, helping you deal with that extra stress. This, again, is thanks to the nitrates. Let me break it down more. Oxygen is required for your body to perform its tasks. More oxygen is better for their functioning. Constricted blood vessels carry less oxygen to the muscles. Nitrates will increase their oxygen carrying capacity. With the fuel from the oxygen, your muscles kick into full swing. A study found that trained cyclists who had just 2 cups of beet juice could improve their trail by 12 seconds. It's about time you said goodbye to orange, apple, and any other popular breakfast juice. Beet juice is great for waking up those sleepy organs. It serves as a great pre-workout to prepare your body for physical exhaustion. It also helps with weight loss, as it has almost 0 calories. It's second only to water. Looking for answers on all the latest health and wellness news? Hit that subscribe button and join our millions of followers. Stay up to date on all of our great Bestie content. Number 3. Glowing skin. Not all people are blessed with flawless skin. If you constantly hide behind filters on Instagram, this one's for you. No amount of makeup or skin cream can change your skin's texture and quality. You need a boost from within. Beetroot juice is a great blood purifier and will improve circulation. With more supply of blood to the skin, it will be firm and radiant. There will be visible differences as those dark spots, blemishes, and dead cells start fading away. Vitamin C in beet juice can give your skin a blast of antioxidants and keep you looking younger. Say goodbye to makeup as your cheeks are going to be blushing naturally. Number 4. Heart health. Beet juice is heart-friendly. You probably think it would take months to see the positive effects of beet juice on your health, but it happens a lot quicker than that. Your heart requires the help of surrounding muscles to pump blood. If the muscles become fatigued, your heart could fail. A study shows that people with heart failure experienced a 13% rise in muscle power. This happened within just 2 hours of drinking a glass of beet juice. Seems like sorcery, but it's true. Before we move ahead, here's another video on heart health you should consider. Watch 8 signs your body gives you a month before a heart attack. Now back to our discussion on 9 health benefits of beet juice. Number 5. Beats dementia. Beet juice guarantees a younger and more active brain. When you start growing old, your body's unable to produce the same amount of nitrates it did years ago. Beet juice provides that extra boost. A few studies show that blood flow to the frontal lobe increases after consuming beet juice. Different parts of the brain are associated with different activities your body performs. Frontal lobes are linked to memory, judgment, impulse control, and cognition. With more blood in this area, it functions like a well-oiled machine. Number 6. Fights cancer. A few foods are known to keep cancer at bay. Beetroots are one of them. The rich color of beetroots is brought to you by betalains. These are soluble antioxidants. This colored chemical can destroy unstable cancer cells in your body. Researchers call these chemical compounds scavengers, as they drag free radicals out of your body and keep you healthy. Now, more research is required in this field, but from what we've seen so far, we can safely say that beets are super effective against breast cancer. They can also prevent cancer of the lung, colon, and liver. Number 7. Doubles as blood tonic. This vegetable juice is the coolest way to remove toxins from your body. It improves circulation and stimulates red blood cell production. It's the best homemade tonic for people running low on hemoglobin. It's also good for people who are anemic. Make it a point to have a glass each day, especially if you're pregnant. The folate in beetroots will reduce your baby's risk of being born prematurely. It can also help prevent certain diseases from developing along your spine. Beetroot juice can also be great if you're planning a pregnancy in the future. It'll keep you in the best shape possible. If you don't enjoy its earthy taste, add a few carrots, along with some celery, apples, and lemons. This will provide you with so many extra nutrients. On top of that, you can add ginger and mint. This will help you put an end to indigestion. Blend it all together. If you want to make it thicker, try not putting as much water. If you want to make it more refreshing, add a couple of ice cubes. Aside from folate, your body will get the boost of other essential minerals. These work to strengthen your immune system and make your bones and teeth rock hard. These minerals include things like iron, magnesium, manganese, sodium, zinc, copper, and selenium. Finally, beets aren't beets without potassium. This mineral is so amazing. It serves as a natural cure for sore muscles and nerves. If you've been feeling tired, try having 1 glass daily to improve your strength. You won't regret it. Number 8. Detoxifies your liver. Your liver is probably the most hard-working organ in your body. If you don't have a healthy functioning liver, it could mean your life. When your eating habits are bad and all you're stuffing into your body is junk food, your liver is left miserable. Make a conscious effort to relieve your liver and start drinking more beet juice. If you're not convinced, just think about this. All those wild party nights drinking and eating are exposing your liver to toxic substances. Your liver can get gross and fatty. This does nothing but harm to your health. There's also something called non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. This is when the organ becomes fatty with little to no alcohol consumption. This is why beet juice is so important. An antioxidant called beta-N helps to remove excess fat from the liver and bring it back to its healthy form. Number 9. Reduces cholesterol. High cholesterol levels can be dangerous for you, but it first depends on which cholesterol we're talking about. LDL is the bad kind, while HDL is the good one. Beetroot helps to increase HDL in many people. This is probably because of phytonutrients like flavonoids that are present in beets. Hearing all of this is probably making you want to jump out of your seat and run to the grocery store, am I right? Well, before you do that, just a word of caution. Beetroot can cause your stool to look, well, a little red. This is pretty scary at first sight, but it's actually harmless. Beetroot juice contains calcium oxalate crystals. These are not very friendly to your kidneys. This is why you should know your limits. Just a few crystals can have a sort of cleansing effect on your body. However, having too many can cause kidney stones. You can probably live with 1 kidney, but it's not something you should work towards. Have I sparked your interest? Let's keep the conversation going with a couple more kidney-related videos, shall we? Here's what you need to know. Watch 12 signs your kidneys need help. Or how about 13 foods that make your kidneys healthy? Go ahead, click one. Or better yet, watch both and learn more about how to keep your kidneys in shape. Are you going to start drinking beetroot after watching this video? Let us know in the comments below.